In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a rolling respace. This sound is used by some really big drum and bass artists such as Serum and Blade Runner, and the type of sound I'm looking at today is from the track called The Ride. So we're going to recreate the respace from that. Let's get straight into it. Alright, so first of all you want to get a Serum and we want to initialize that. And next with oscillator A we want to select basic MCB like this, and then we want to select -2, so we should get this sound. Now remember, if you're on Ableton, the keyboard might be slightly different, so just remember that to get the same pitch. Now we want to turn this unison up to 4, and we're going to turn the detune up slightly, leave the phase and rand like this, and turn the level up to max. So we get this sound. Next we want to go to LFO1 and create a shape like this, and then turn this to 2 bars. And then apply it to here. We just want to make sure this is on 20 here. So that's everything on this page done. Now let's go to the effects tab. So first let's turn on distortion, and let's go to diode 1, turn the drive right up and turn the mix down a little bit. And next we want to add a compressor, and we're going to turn multiband compression on and turn the gain up to get something that sounds like this. And then finally we're going to add an EQ. Now you can do this post-processing, or you can do it actually on the Serum. So I can just create a filter like this, and I can turn this down, turn this down, turn this down. So let's adjust these slightly. So now let's recreate it, the pattern. So this is the pattern I've got. And note that because of the pitch change on Serum, the notes that it's playing here might not actually be the notes that it's labeled as. So you need to get a tuner and check what the notes are if you're trying to find the key. So let's listen to this. So that's sounding pretty close. Now let's look at some post-processing ideas. So here's one idea, which is OTT on this setting, and it makes it sound like this. Just gives it that grit. And here's another idea, which is decimal 2, and I've picked the clean power setting, and then I've just changed the cutoff. So it's really all about experimenting with different sounds and seeing what you get to sound good. And then I've got an EQ here like this on this setting. And then a Pro L on here, just to boost the volume even more. So this respace is just tweaked from my Havoc production pack, and these drums are also from it. So let's hear what it sounds like all together. Or like this. And that's sounding pretty good. I'd then go in and make whole new drums for it, obviously, and get the side chain in and all that, and get it sounding tight. But this is just to get you started on the sound design. Thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed, leave a like. Make sure to check out my website where there's lots of sample packs and courses to get your hands on. Let me know in the comments what kind of videos you want to see from me in the future. This video was actually requested by someone in the comments, so I do read and listen to the comments. I'll see you all in the next one.